Let's review how to use gradients and duotones. I first want to duplicate my layer, and I'm going to name this gradient. Next, I need to add an adjustment layer, so I can click the circle at the bottom, and I'm going to choose Gradient Map. Under Properties, Gradient Map shows up. I can double-click inside here to get to my gradients. To change the color, I click on the bottom paint color can. I can double-click and choose a color. On the right side, I want to change the color black, so I can double-click and choose a bright yellow. Maybe I want to make that a little bit more orange. I can also adjust the slider here depending on how much color I want. If I want to add a third color, I can simply just click inside there with my mouse and click OK. If I wanted to name this gradient, I could call this maybe blue, pink, yellow, and click New and OK. And that's all I need to do. If I want to reverse the colors, under Properties, I can click Reverse. Okay, so there can be a big difference in how that looks. Here's another example of Octavia Spencer, Auburn University graduate and Academy Award winner. Right-click, duplicate the layer. Okay, I can name that gradient. I can also click right here under Adjustments. I can click the bottom right selection, which again will create an adjustment layer for a gradient map. I can double-click inside, and then I can double-click at the bottom of the paint can. And again, I can adjust this a little bit to the right, to the left. I'll kind of get the tone that I like. Depending on what you're doing, if you notice, I'm also moving the location number. So if you want to use these exact coordinates again, you can make a note of the color, the location as well. And again, I could type this pink, white for a face, click New, and then I have that saved. So thanks for watching another tutorial from Southern Lee High School Adobe Academy, and don't forget to hit subscribe.